Someone decides whether they like you in the first few seconds, before you finish a sentence, before you prove a single thing. And the wild part, that decision isn't really about you. It's about what their brain does the moment it sees you. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to shape that decision, using 3 moves your brain is already wired to respond to. Most people think being liked is a talent. You either have it or you don't. The charming ones got the gift. The rest of us just try harder and feel weirder. But that's not what's happening in the brain. Liking isn't charisma. It's a pattern. A few specific moves that flip specific switches. And once you see the graph, you can't unsee it. Picture your mind as a graph. Nodes, people, ideas, feelings, edges, the connections between them. When you meet someone new, their brain instantly tries to draw an edge to you. Friend node or threat node. Safe or not safe. That's the first impression verdict. Carnegie wrote a whole book about winning people over in 1936, and almost everything in it, neuroscience later explained. He just didn't have the brain scans. Loop 1. The name. Carnegie said a person's name is the sweetest sound to them. Sounds like a nice line, but brain imaging shows something wild. When someone hears their own name, regions light up that stay quiet for any other word. Their own name activates the brain differently than "hey you" ever could. So when you use someone's name early, you're not being polite. You're lighting up a node no one else bothered to touch, and the brain remembers who lit it. Loop 2. Stop trying to be interesting. Here's where everyone gets it backwards. We walk into a room thinking, what do I say to impress them? But the brain doesn't bond over your impressive story. It bonds over being asked about itself. Talking about yourself triggers the same reward circuits as food, as money. So when you ask a real question and actually listen, you're handing the other person a hit of reward, and their brain quietly files you under, I feel good around this one. You became interesting by being interested. Carnegie said it in one line. The scanner proved it. Loop 3. The mirror. Watch 2 people who like each other talk. They lean the same way, same pace, same little gestures, half a second apart. Nobody plans this. The brain reads "same as me" as safe. Your mirror neurons are running the whole time, scoring sameness as safety. You don't have to fake it. You just have to actually pay attention, and the mirroring happens on its own. And here's where I have to be honest with you, because I learned all this, and it still didn't work. I walked into rooms with the name trick loaded, the questions ready, watching my own posture like a hawk, and people could feel it. It came off as a performance, because it was one. The first impression brain is brutally good at smelling a script. That's the crisis nobody warns you about. You can know every move and still fail if the other person senses you're running moves. The brain doesn't reward technique. It rewards realness. So what actually changed it? One thing. I stopped trying to be liked and started trying to make them feel less alone for a minute. That's it. That's the whole tool. Walk in asking one question, not, how do I look to them, but, what's it like to be them right now? Aim your attention outward, completely. The name, the listening, the mirroring, they all happen by themselves the second your attention is genuinely on the other person instead of on yourself. A few seconds. Their brain is drawing an edge to you whether you like it or not. You don't control the verdict, but you control where your attention points, and the brain feels that instantly. Point it at them. The rest is just biology doing what it always does. Next time, we'll go deeper into one of these. What your brain is actually doing in the half second before you trust a total stranger. Because that one gets strange.